What's up guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to rest Steelseries Arctis Nova Pro wireless. So guys, to rest this Nova Pro wireless, all you have to do just follow me and the steps on this video and let's get started. It is guys easy steps and let's to do this. The first step guys, try your transmitter and try resting your transmitter under option and go to option guys. This is option first and go to system. After that go to rest and then guys try pairing your headset to the transmitter and the base stations. Navigate your option and then click on the next. After that click next. The transmitter should now say pairing on progress and then turn your headset if it is not on already. After that guys, you can push the volume on your headset until feel click and hold it 6+ seconds and headset will be pairing mode. And then once headset has paired on the base station, you will see connected message on the screen. And this is how you can do guys. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget give like and share this video for more content and see another video soon. So guys, just follow these simple steps. And this is from support Steelseries guy. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you another video soon.